This demo walks you through the step-by-step process of paying for products in AvoGo using the credit card method. Begin by launching the AvoGo application in a browser and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Shop. Browse through the list and select a product. Choose a product. Hover on it to click its quick view to review the product details. Then click Add to Cart. Once you have reviewed the item details, let's use the SAVE15 coupon code for this demo. Verify that the discount is successfully applied to the order, and the total is updated accordingly. Once done, click Proceed to Buy. Make sure to verify the shipping and billing addresses, order summary, and updated price details on the checkout page. Select a preferred delivery date and click Create Order and Continue to Payment. Let's select credit card as the payment method and click Pay Now. Enter the credit card details like cardholder name, number, expiry date, and CVV. Next, click Pay, and you will be prompted to enter a one-time password and click Verify and Authenticate. Please note that you can enter only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the OTP in this field to proceed. Verify that the order is placed successfully and click OK to continue. Review the order details page to confirm the purchase information. Lastly, navigate to your profile and sign out. Now you know how a user can securely purchase products using the credit card payment method in AvoGo.